You searched how to buy shares of Netskope Inc. Netskope is a cloud security company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NTSK. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NTSK to locate the company. Select the listing that matches Netskope Inc. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you have the right stock. To invest, click the Buy or Invest button. Enter the amount you want to purchase and choose the order type. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or pending. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to review the example platform.